Good morning, students. In this video we are going to discuss about the another accounting principle, verifiables objective concept. So the verifiable objective concepts hold that the accounting should be free from the personal bias. यानी कि जो भी अकाउंटिंग जो वेरीफिएबिलिटी ऑब्जेक्ट ये बोलता है कि अकाउंटिंग शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम द पर्सनल बेस, यानी कि जो भी पर्सनल हमारे जो विचार हैं, यानी कि जो पर्सनल हमारे व्यूज़ हैं उससे फ्री फ्रॉम होना चाहिए, यानी उससे मुक्त होना चाहिए। जो भी हम अकाउंटिंग की ऑब्जेक्टिविटी हम लोग पुटअप कर रहे हैं, यानी कि जो हम लोग प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, द मेजरमेंट है दैट आर बेस्ड ऑन द वेरीफिएबल एविडेंस आर रिगार्डेड एज द ऑब्जेक्टिव। यानी कि जो भी ट्रांजैक्शन हम लोग कर रहे हैं या फिर जो भी ट्रांजैक्शन हमने सेल परचेज किया है, दैट शुड बी complied, that should be matched with the verifiable document, that should be matched with the cash memo, letter, invoice, purchase invoice, sales invoice, various types of the document that can be proved that the transaction actually or the honestly written or transaction actually happened. So the user of the accounts can believe upon the on the books of accounts while the while observing while taking into the consideration of the books of accounts. So it means that the accounting transaction should be evidenced and supported by the business documents. यानी कि जो भी ट्रांजेक्शन हम लोग इवेंट रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, दैट शुड बी सपोर्टेड बाय द evidence or the business document to support the transaction that has been actually transaction take place, or actually it is the real transaction, not the fictitious transaction. So these supporting documents may be the cash memo, invoice, sales bill, and they provide the basis for the accounting and the audit. So this document also make the base for the accounting purposes and also for the verification purposes and also for the vouching purposes, also for the auditors purposes and also for the auditing purposes. So if we are complying or if you are following the objectivity concept and we are maintaining the books of account through the supporting documents, so there will be no problem in the coming future while we are going to while we are inviting for the auditing, while we are going to make the audit, while we are any audit made by the government, so we will be free from the all these obstacles. Okay, so I hope students you got my points and understand very well. If you have any problem regarding the explanation, you can contact me on my number.